How to lock roles on Discord. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ways to lock roles on Discord. If you want to go ahead and lock roles in Discord, you just have to follow the steps. So I'm going to go ahead and use a web version of my Discord. You could use any of it, whichever is convenient for you, either an application or a web version. Next thing, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and then open up a server, whichever is convenient for you. So I'm gonna go with this one. So tap the tab bar icon and go with that. Now here you want to go ahead and press the three dot icon. You want to go ahead and press the arrow icon at the top, and you want to go to server settings. As you go to server settings, over here you could go ahead and locate roles. It's right on top. Go ahead and press that. In my case, I do not have one, so I'm gonna go ahead and create one. So click the create button. As you can see that I've already created one. Now next thing, I can go ahead and create next as well, or the second row. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you just have to go ahead and drag it over here at the top, just like this, and you'll have successfully locked your roles. So this way you could go ahead and lock roles on Discord. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.